Everyone make logic with software and controllers. I wanted to suffer a bit more than that. This board runs on bare transistors and resistors only. No microcontrollers, no CPU, no Arduino. Here is the inside so you don't accuse me in the comments. It's just resistors and wiring. That's it. Each little cluster is a logic gate and I wired up the switches so you can exactly how they behave. I flipped through all of the input combinations and your job is to guess which gate is which. If you really want to know sure which one is which, I put a special unlisted video in the description. So the first one is when I switch this specific one on, then the light will go on. Number 2. So if I'm now putting this one on, then this one will go off. So it's the other way around. Now we're going to be a little bit more complex. If we have 2 inputs, when both of them are on, then this one is off. Number 4. If I am putting this one on, then each of them, if I put each of them on, then you can see then this one is going on. If I am putting both on, then it's also on. Number 5. If I put all of them on, then it will go off. But if one of them is on, then it's still on. And if they are off, then it's still on. Number 6. Alright. Then if this one is on and this one is on, then this one is off. If I put one of them off, then it's still off. If all of them are off, then it's still off. Now we're going to go to the more complex ones. Number 7. If this one, both are off, then it's off. If I put one of them on, then it goes on. You see? But if I put both of them on, then this one will go off. Alright, the next one. If I put this one on, then it goes off. Then this one goes off. But if I put both of them on, then this one goes on. And now comes the end boss. Instead of switches, I have buttons. And you can see if I put one of them on, it stays it just remembers the position. And also, just a small hint, this is not really a logic gate. This is, well, that's up to you. So, which specific logic gates are those? Let me know in the comments. Alright, I hope that you can find out which logic gate is which. Also with the final one, which is basically the end boss, right? I actually got really inspired to creating this by watching the videos from Ben Eater and Sebastian Lewick. I put the link to those specific videos in the description. Also, a small interesting story why I actually built this. This was for my job. We had an 8-bit day, and I thought, let's test the engineers how well they know the basics, because they are software developers. And I thought, yeah, they should know this, right? So I thought that will be fun. And actually, it went out really well. So that is the small story behind it. All right. Thank you for watching, and I will see you the next time. Bye.